लोकसभेच्या वट्ट 543 जागांखातीर वेंचणूक जाली. निकालूय लागलो. हे फावट खंय फेज 3 वेंचणुकेंत भाजपाची दक्षिण गोंयची उमेदवार पल्लवी देंपो सगळ्यांत गिरेस्त उमेदवार जी हारल्या. असोसिएशन फॉर डेमोक्रेटिक रिफॉर्म्स रिपोर्ट घेवन मिडिया मुखार.
Richest loser is who was number 3 in the richest list as candidates from South Goa. Yeah. She was number 3 in the richest candidate list. So she has lost, or maybe even number 2 has lost.
No, sir. Number 2 has won.
Number 2 has won. I mean, offhand I don't remember.
Konda Reddy has won.
Okay. She is the richest who has lost. म्हणजे Goa is not 0. Goa is 1. 1 out of 2. South Goa candidate has a normal criminal case, not serious. Under which article and under which police station? I have given you the data last time. If you require it, I will give it again. There are 2 police stations somewhere, Maina and Fatroda or somewhere. In case of South Goa winner. North Goa winner doesn't have any this thing.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळकार.